everyone! Today we're making Cocoa Puff cereal slime. It's super simple and I hope you stick around to see the secret of our color-changing milk. For our cereal milk, we're starting with a white soap slime. I'll link the video in the description where we show you how to make it. For this breakfast slime, we'll start by pouring our white milk slime into the bowl and adding the spoon. Now we can pour in our fake Cocoa Puffs. This is large brown foam beads. When you eat cereal, the cereal usually changes the color of the milk. To make that happen with our cereal slime, we're going to take brown Crayola Model Magic clay and make some clay Cocoa Puffs. The Model Magic is usually dry, so we'll need some hand lotion into it. The goal is for it to be stretchy but not sticky. If you add too much lotion, go back and add a little more clay so it's less sticky. To make our clay Cocoa Puffs, we're going to take a small piece of clay the size of our foam Cocoa Puffs and roll it into a ball. Once you have 5 or 10, we'll add them to our cereal slime. Now for the best part. Mixing it all in and seeing our milk slime change colors. Subscribe for more slime how-tos and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new slime video. Don't forget to check us out on TikTok and Facebook.